Hey, what's up guys? If you love to go extreme places, then today I brought you 5 cool survival gadgets that can be very helpful for you to survive in very extreme conditions. But before starting our video, please subscribe to our channel Gadget Centro and press the bell icon so you will get notification whenever we upload our new video. Now let's get into it. Campster 2. Meet the next generation of fire with the Campster 2. It's a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity. So you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with the updated electrics, the Campster 2 provides 50% more power than the Campster 1. You can store your electricity with the help of incorporate an onboard battery, so you can use that power whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside. It has 4 fan speed to control the size of the fire. The device is integrated with wireless accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring in. Live Baby Emergency Sleeping Bag. If you are stranded outside or in your car during the extreme cold without a shelter, your body temperature will drop immediately and you will quickly become hypothermic. In this survival situation, Live Baby Emergency Sleeping Bag provides you emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. The Live Baby is also waterproof and ultra durable. This Live Baby bag made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat shield. It protects you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of Live Babies will protect you from hypothermia by reflecting the 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. Live Baby is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenario, and you can repeatedly use it. Livestock Flex Water Filter. Drinking water straight from the source sound risky? Don't worry. Now we have Livestock Flex Water Filter. This is versatile water filter system. This product comes with twisted flex water filter, collapsible water bottle, and backwash syringe. This can remove 99.99% waterborne bacteria and parasites. It has a replaceable carbon capsule that reduces chlorine, lead, and heavy metals. This Livestock Flex water filter is lightweight and compact, so you can carry this product with you anywhere. This product is trusted by all over the world. So if you love hiking, trekking, or traveling, this product can be very useful for you. Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool. Be ready for anything. Leatherman Signal is a multi-tool with the fire starter. It comes with everyday functional tools with the new outdoor features. This tool has fire starting rod and an emergency whistle, so you can prepare for anything to face no matter what. It has a variety of pilers, wire cutter, knife, stripper, hammer, saw, a variety of bit drivers, bottle and can opener, and many other tools. This gadget requires only one hand to open and use different tools. With all locking features, you can do multitasking easily. It has pocket clip and carabiner, so you can carry this gadget in your pocket or your backpack. Rhino Folding Shovel. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to dig out, then this Rhino Folding Shovel can help you a lot. This is a military style folding shovel. This shovel is made of lighter and stronger material. To use this shovel, you have to simply pull the shovel out of its carrying case, unfold it, and screw your locking ring to the right direction, and then you are ready to dig out of any situation. It has one more great feature. It can be also used in 90-degree peak exposition. That is it for today guys. If you want to buy any of these gadgets, you can check out the link on the description box. And if you want to watch more interesting gadget videos, then stay tuned with us. Bye bye.